Hey guys, here we are in Arezzo, Italy, in beautiful Tuscany, enjoying the scenery. There's some locals down there. Here's Taylor. We're putting the study and studying abroad. And here's Simone and Morgan. And Morgan's going to walk you through the first step of our problem.
Okay, so here we have our reactant, and we notice that it's an oxygen attached to two R groups. And so that leads us to see that this is an ether reaction with acidic cleavage. And this reactant's name is 1-ethoxy-1-methyl-cyclohexane. The general reaction for ethers goes like this. We have our ether, and then we have excess HX with heat, and then this gives us 2 alkyl halides plus water. And in this mechanism, there's going to be 2 substitution reactions, and Sam and Simone are going to walk you through those.
Alright, so as Morgan's already told you, we have an ether reaction in the presence of excess HX and heat. So, in our first step, we're going to have a proton transfer. The lone pair of electrons from the oxygen are going to move to our proton and our H. We also notice that iodine serves as a great leaving group, so the bond will break between HI and form an extra pair of electrons on iodine, giving us the negative charge. In our next step, we notice that our affected carbon is tertiary, therefore we will have an SN1 substitution reaction. We will break the weaker bond, which is the bond between our tertiary carbon and the oxygen, and our oxygen is a great leaving group, so we'll have a loss of leaving group in that step. Moving on, we'll have a nucleophilic attack where the lone pair of electrons on our negatively charged iodine will attack our positively charged carbocation at the carbon. Next, we'll have a proton transfer where the lone pair of electrons from our ethanol group and on our O will move to our H. When this happens, we will break the bond between the HI and form an extra pair of electrons on iodine. In our next step, we'll have an SN2 substitution reaction since our water is bonded to a primary carbon. How this happens is we'll break the bond between the O and the C. At the same time that this happens, the negatively charged iodine will move to our primary carbon and form a bond. After all this fun stuff happens, we have formed our products, and our products are water and 2 alkyl halides. This is it for our problem reaction. Hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about ether reactions with HX and some heat. Good luck on the final and bring it home.